Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to Feature Friday. Of course, my name is Bobby, and this week I'm super excited to share with you an update that I imagine plenty of you are going to love. So, you can now have invoice templates on a per customer basis. Yes, I said it. You can have different invoice templates on a per customer basis. It's finally here. Lots of folks have been asking for it, so let me show you how it works. Let's start off by heading to Admin, and then to PDF email templates, and then Invoice Templates, just like you always have. You'll see a new tab here called Invoice Templates, and when you click that, it's going to show a list. There will be your default one, or the one that you've been using all along, and in my case I called it default, but it'll show up blank. Just click into it to give it a name, and then you can do things like you could in the other previous version where you could preview and edit that version. The difference now is you can click this context button and clone or delete the template as you see fit, and then of course you can see that I have two, and you can choose which one is your default for cases where maybe you have a new customer or even a walk-in customer that maybe doesn't have a specific one, and you just want a more generic style template as your default. You can choose here. You can click to preview, and you can view them all just like you've always been able to. And if I back up, there's a new template button here. You click that, it'll create a brand new template. It'll bootstrap the default values that everyone starts with, and you can feel free to edit using the HTML, CSS, or just through the WYSIWYG here if you want. Now, let's head over to customers, the part that everyone cares about the most. If you go into a customer and then hit edit, there will be two new selections here: default invoice template and default invoice terms. Excuse me, I got that incorrect. There's one new there's one new field here called default invoice template. Terms has been there all along. Now, when you click the drop down, it'll display all of the templates. The default value when you create a customer is to use the default you have selected in the PDF email template area. But when you pick one, the next time Make Invoice is selected for this customer, or you click New Invoice and then search for the customer, it'll use this one here. In this case, I'll hit Save Changes, and then we'll create a new invoice just to demonstrate it. And you'll see here when I click the invoice PDF that will generate. Then also, if for some reason you want to change the invoice template that's being used on the invoice you created, you can click right here in the invoice details section, and there will be another drop down that's similar to what you see on the customer edit page, and you can change it on the fly. Pretty awesome stuff, if I say so myself. Refresh the page here so it generates the new PDF. And yeah, there you go. This is the per customer invoice templates feature. I really hope a lot of you are stoked about this. Again, if you go to the PDF email templates section and select the invoice templates tab, you will then be able to, as soon as my internet catches up, create additional email templates, or excuse me, invoice templates, and then create a default value, or create as many as you'd like. Feel free to go crazy here. And yeah, I hope everyone enjoys this one, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care.